Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming readiness. Put both AirPods in, open the case, and make sure your phone shows them as connected. Once done, verify battery levels so calls won't drop. Low battery can switch audio to phone. Next, set the microphone behavior in Bluetooth settings. Automatic usually picks the active ear, which prevents missed audio. Make sure noise control is set to your preference. This affects call clarity when background noise changes. When a call comes in, press the stem once to answer and again to end. Simple and reliable. While on the call, you can switch noise control to active noise cancellation for private conversations or transparency to hear surroundings. Do that from Control Center or the stem press if configured. If voice sounds thin, check whether the microphone is set to left, right, or automatic. Using both is best for balanced pickup. You'll hear clearer speech when you keep the fit snug. To finish, press the stem once and place the AirPods in the case to disconnect and conserve battery. If you run into problems, like only one side transmitting or muffled audio, first clean the microphone mesh gently and retest. If issues persist, reset your AirPods by holding the case button until the light flashes, then repair. This clears most software glitches. Finally, make sure your phone's firmware and the AirPods firmware are up to date. Updates often fix call performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.